Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to make 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗀 which is made from Rosebay Willowherb leaves aka Fireweed. And as you can see, I am drying my leaves. I was gonna show you what it looks like in my garden, but we've got noisy neighbors taking their shed down, so we wouldn't be able to hear a thing. You can check the video above where I was walking in the nature, and there you will be able to see what it looks like, just in case you don't know. And I will show you the leaf a bit closer. You can see it has got like sort of rounding. And what I did, I wash it, so I am drying this now, and we will do it in stages. We've got like 4 days. So first step is to pick the fair share of the leaves and then pop them on tray and leave overnight in dark place to wilt. So once they are a bit drier, I'm gonna put it on tray and just put it somewhere warm and dark overnight, and then we will be bruising the leaves, and I will take you step by step. You will see day 3, day 4, and this is from the wonderful book of knowledge to forage. I gone through quite a few recipes, and I was gonna make this tea last year, but I missed it, so I was thinking basically it's now or never, because then the leaves wouldn't be nice. You can see also the links in the description. I was doing quite a few stuff with Rosebay Willowherb aka Fireweed. Basically you can use the young shoots and eat them as asparagus, and also you can eat the pith. It's edible, it's quite refreshing, so there is another video for you, and you can see also what the flowers look like. I was trying some flowers this year, and once the tea is made, I will try to combine also with the flowers, so I will see what it tastes like. Okay, this is how much I've got, and I am going to put it in dark place overnight, and I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, so here we go. You will have sort of these, and just take 4 or 5 leaves together, do something like that, and then sort of like scrunch it. It's not gonna be very exciting, but yeah, this is how you do it. And I also saw somebody like crunching them like that, like when you knead the dough. So you just find your way. I think this one, it's quite easy enough. So just make sure they release their own liquid, their own juices, and they will sort of ferment in these juices. So it is a bit of mindfulness for you. Okay, so we are done, and I would suggest to make it outside if you can. Unfortunately it's raining here, so I couldn't, because you will have a few bits and bobs everywhere from the rolling, so if you don't mind a little bit of mess inside, it's fine. And I'm just gonna place a damp tea towel over it and place it in a warm dark cupboard and leave it there for 24 hours. Okay, here we go. This is day 3 of making 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗀 tea, and you can see the leaves are a bit darker, and I'm gonna put them into oven and dry them. And you know what I'm thinking, am I gonna burn it or not? So let's see what we've got written here for day 3. So it's time to stop the fermentation process. and the leaves will start to smell like a sweet tea. So yes, it has got quite a pleasant smell. And now it's time to dry the leaves and stop the fermenting any further. So I put it on a baking tray and pop into the oven and keep it on the lowest temperature and keep the oven door ajar. And yes, we will keep drying them, keep an eye on them and making sure I turn it every 15 minutes until they are dry. And then I leave it out on the tray to dry for one more night. And then it will be finally day 4. Let's see how it goes. It's ready to go to the oven. Wish me luck, I'm not gonna burn it. And this is what it looks like straight out the oven. And I'm gonna leave it to dry overnight as well. So it's really nice and sort of crumbly. And tomorrow we just crumble this into pieces. And tam-ta-da-da, we made it. It's day 4. And today we are gonna gently crush the leaves and put it in the jar, and you can enjoy your tea. So you add 1 teaspoon of 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀𝗀𝗲 to your teapot per cup, and you brew it for 3 to 5 minutes and enjoy it. What I find out with this oxidized tea, it's better to let the flavor develop. So I think I leave it in the jar for couple of weeks or so, and then I'm gonna enjoy it. So I will be crushing the leaves. You can see it's nice and crumbly, and then I just put it into jar. And here we go. This is all nicely crumbled, so this is what you are gonna get afterwards. I also dried some fireweed flowers, so I'm gonna make a combination of the leaves and also the flowers. So this is the final result. Enjoy! Okay, 4 days gone like that, and this is what we've got from the amount I showed you. You can see it's not much. If you like to have more, you will need to gather more leaves. I was just using bits and bobs from my garden. And if you have it in your garden, don't stress and just find out how you can use this wonderful herb, and let me know if you're gonna give it a go. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.